everyone, just opening up the box for our Apple TV. Here it is. Super exciting. You can get an Apple 5th generation TV from any electronics store for around $200. Very simple. As you saw, I just took it out of the box. So now we just pull apart the plastic. So in this box came a charger, power cord, a remote, and now we're ready to go. This is an Apple TV. This is where the HDMI cord goes, and this is where the power cord goes. Now that we have it all plugged in, and you put in your Apple ID, we go to the screen, and we go to the App Store. Click on it, go to search, and we'll search Ojibway TV. And there it is there. You click on it, you'll see install app and install the app. Be sure to check out our Ogoki Learning Facebook page.